Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about this common problem everybody faces on LinkedIn whenever they are trying to verify their account, which is this: you have already submitted their request, please try again. Remember the last video I explained how to clear your cache and do other things which worked for some and still it didn't work for some people. So in this video I'm going to show you the next step you are going to take to upload your ID for them to lift your restriction. First of all, if you want to start this thing, you have to get LinkedIn doesn't accept every browser. I highly recommend Chrome browser for us to do this thing. So I'll come back to my Chrome. I'm also going to paste this link explaining how you're going to use it in this video. Let's get started. First of all, you are going to put your original name here. You are going to put your last name here. You're going to put your email of your account here. If they come to type of issue, you are going to click account access. Subject, you have to say you cannot verify your account. They're not giving you the space or opportunity to upload your ID, rather it keep bringing ID already submitted, a request already submitted. Here in this type your question, I already have a format which I'm also going to paste in the description of this video you're going to use. Let me show you an example of the format I used here. I got it from ChatGPT actually. Look at the letter. You're going to their LinkedIn support team. I'm reaching out because I'm unable to verify my account. Whenever I try to complete the verification process, I receive an error message that says you have already submitted the request, please try again. So this is the letter. I kindly request you either provide me with a direct link to upload my, so you're going to, after every test, your name and your email address again. Okay, so after this thing you have to paste it here. Okay, unable to verify my account, say it here. Then when it comes to add an attachment, you're going to add this photo. You're going to go to your photo gallery and have a screenshot of that this thing. Let me show you what I mean. It's loading. Okay, this screenshot, I'm going to add it here. I will upload it. I don't know, this is the screenshot I uploaded. For those of you that didn't see what I did, this is the screenshot, this thing. So I uploaded it. Then I'm not a robot. Okay, I cannot submit because I did not add my email here. Let me alright, see why I recommended Chrome browser for you. Some of you, whenever you use ordinary browser to feed this detail, you cannot submit due to LinkedIn doesn't support other browser. They support Chrome browser, they support Firefox, but I highly recommend this Chrome browser for you guys. See it, you cannot submit it. This thing I wrote here is wrong details. I wrote wrong details, so I don't want to. That's how you're going to do it. And whenever you do it, keep checking your email. They will send you an email immediately, which is automated email confirming that they will reach out to you later, and before 24 hours they are going to send you another email giving you a new link or guiding you on the process. Thank you for watching my video. If this video really helped you, please do to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my